I can't believe my daddy is dead. I can think of so many people I would rather have died first. Like my mother.
Is that Chow?
I'm out of my mind! My name's Alan and I bought a giraffe! Oh, my life is great!
In the beginning of 3, you basically are finding these guys in the aftermath of 2. Alan's father just passed away.
Mother, Oreo smoothie now! Alan is having some kind of midlife crisis if he were to live to 120. Alan's 60 years old. Looks good.
We're all here to tell you about an awesome place called New Horizons.
That does sound awesome.
Alan, this is an intervention.
We drive you there today, and I promise you will come back a changed man.
You going, Phil?
I love you, Alan. And as we're on our way, mayhem ensues.
What's with that?
Where is he? Leslieju Chowu stole $21 million from me. No one can find him. Except you! They've been writing letters.
Hey, those are private!
Dear Leslie, OMG, the McRib is back. Why was it ever gone?
Exactly!
Doug is my insurance. He stays with me. You have 3 days.
Can you take Stu instead?
This Chow guy, he's back from the I don't know, from the east.
And he reaches out to his one and only friend, Alan.
I got this strange email the other day. I think it might be from Chow.
Fatty, I'm close by. Tell no one.
Chow. This says Chow. I thought it was Chow like goodbye. You know, like Chow, arrivederci.
Papa John's.
What are you doing down here?
Well, I got into cockfighting.
Oh, cockfighting. That sounds wonderful.
Oh, stay still! I'm trying to help!
What's wrong with those chickens?
They're angry. All I feed them is cocaine and chicken.
This movie deals with the consequences of the first 2 movies.
Alan has this relationship with Mr. Chow, which is the epitome
Quick, give me some sugar.
of unhealthy that needs to be resolved.
When we get together, bad things happen and people get hurt.
Well, that's the point. It's funny.
Chow has a very dark heart, but he's funny. Oh, our time's up. No, just kidding. I just learned how to set my timer.
When we all get together, it really still feels like the first Hangover. And it is essentially a wolf pack where the 4 of us will turn on one.
Do you want these guys on their march to the top of the scene, or... Wow, look at that. Throw me under the bus. Right.
And then if you try to protect that one guy, then everyone turns on you, including that one guy.
It's a close, wide shot.
He's mad at me for asking, yeah?
I love it.
We stay out of this gal pack.
Sorry, you're right. Good advice. I don't know what I'm doing. Todd doesn't like when we get the giggles, which makes it even funnier.
I feel like I spend all day laughing, but other people tell me I'm a tyrant, so I don't know.
Because the old grump over there doesn't like us to giggle. You know, when you like have an adult around and like don't laugh. Makes it worse, but better.
It just killed me not to be able to laugh, and I couldn't help it a couple of times.
It's neat to be acting with John Goodman, and he's a giggler. We went to dinner, and he giggled a lot. And I like that in a grown man, and he's very grown.
You ready to do this?
Yeah. Wait, what are we doing?
Zach's really afraid of heights.
If I were 2 inches taller, I would live my life in fear.
You need to calm down! I'm living, Phil!
Bradley's a dream. Bradley doesn't even talk about it, he just does it.
Not only is he good looking, he's brave.
Zach wishes his stunt guy could do the whole movie, and he would somehow get paid for it.
What's the opposite of brave? I'm a coward. Don't put that in there.
We've all been together for 3 movies. There's something kind of really special about that.
We owe it to the fans to make this the best.
I love the stories and I love these characters.
You're cold as ice.
Say goodbye to one of the dumbest characters on film.
Hey, Phil, kick yourself out a little bit.
Alan! You get it?
Do you even know what's going on?
Yes, I do.
Phil's doing all the work, I'm his assistant, and you're standing there looking like an idiot.
I got a pretty dope sense of humor, bruh.